Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Digest. In this video we're going to talk about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Samsung will be launching the flagship Galaxy S23 series with Corning's new Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which was unveiled a few months ago. Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2 is made up of a new glass composition and is designed to deliver improved drop performance on rough surfaces like concrete and asphalt. This means that the Galaxy S23 series of smartphones will arrive with more durable displays. Our next generation of Galaxy flagship smartphones are the first devices to use Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, offering better durability and improved sustainability at the same time, said Stephanie Choi, Executive Vice President and CMO of Mobile Experience Business, Samsung Electronics. According to Corning's research, 84% of consumers across three of the largest smartphone markets, China, India, and the United States, cite durability as the number one purchasing consideration behind the smartphone brand itself. During the reveal of Gorilla Glass Victus 2, Corning stated that the glass had passed lab tests where it survived drops of up to 1 meter on a surface simulating concrete. Additionally, the company stated that similar aluminosilicate glasses from other manufacturers often failed when dropped from a distance of half a meter or less in comparison. In addition, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 also survived drops up to 2 meters on a surface replicating asphalt and maintained scratch resistance up to 4 times better than competitive aluminosilicate. Samsung has announced that it will hold its first Galaxy Unpacked event in 3 years on February 1st in San Francisco, which will also be its first in-person event since the start of the coronavirus pandemic. The company has also stated that the launch of the Galaxy S23 series will be live-streamed on various platforms such as Samsung's official YouTube channel, Samsung Newsroom, Samsung.com, and Samsung India's YouTube channel. The new Galaxy S23 smartphones will come with different display and battery sizes, and the premium Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature the best specs. It is being said that Samsung is likely to use a AMOLED E6 panel on the upcoming Galaxy S23 series. So, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.